mawawala sa trip na to ang food trip, kaya naman, let's go! Yes, at ngayon ay titigman natin ating famous pigar-pigar. Let's go! So, itatry na natin ang famous pigar-pigar from Pangasinan.
Yes. Wow, ang sarap.
Ang sarap. So, pakita natin.
Yes, so meron siyang beef, tapos meron siyang beans and also white onion.
And cabbage. So, share ko lang sa iyo, Ivane, at sa mga viewers natin dyan. So, kaya tinawag na pigar-pigar to kasi sa Pangasinan o ang mga Panggalatok is yung pagluto sa kanya is pinabaliktad-baliktad siya.
Oh,
Pero
okay.
beef siya ha. So, kung mahilig kayo sa beef, try nyo to. Pigar-pigar sa Pangasinan. And originally kasi siya sa Dagupan. Pero ngayon nandito tayo sa Pangasinan, kaya i-try na natin to. Excited na ako.
So tara,
Let's go!
unahin muna natin yung beef.
Wow.
Sarap.
Perfect na perfect to sa kanin. Kaya naman guys, kung nasa Pangasinan din kayo, i-try nyo na tong pigar-pigar.
Kaya guys, tara, kain na tayo.
Ayan, another food trip na naman tayo ngayon, mga ka-playtime. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Matutinas Jerry Seafood. So, itatry natin yung mga specialty or delicacies nila dito sa Pangasinan.
Oo, kasi kung alam naman ng lahat ng tao na sikat ang mga seafoods dito sa Pangasinan, lalo na yung bangus.
Yes, or yung milkfish. So, ngayon meron tayong buttered oyster, meron tayong adobong oyster, at yung tinatawag nilang sinigang na malaga. Meron din tayong buttered shrimp and yung famous na milkfish nila or the bangus.
So tara, tikman natin.
Excited!
Cheers!
Cheers! May kanin ka
na
dapat.
ako.
Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Sa akin ka lahat.
So, try natin tong buttered shrimp. Sarap.
Yung butter nila dito, manamis-namis. So, masarap. So, after naman ng food trip, syempre, hindi mawawala ang dessert.
Kaya naman, itatry namin yung famous halo-halo special nila.
Yes.
And ang turon nila. Turon nila with a twist. So, they put ube ice cream, tsaka ube rin yung nasa loob ng turon. And of course, the buko pandan.
Ube yung nasa loob.
Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Ang sarap ng leche plan, tapos may pinipig pa siya. So kung gusto mo ng parang crispy, sweet, tapos malamig, itong halo-halo nila, perfect na perfect.
Time, ang pinaka-the best is ito talaga. For me,
Ako, ito yung halo-halo para sa akin.
Oo. So, parang lahat na may ube, yun yung favorite namin. So, ayan, tara. Kung bibisita man kayo dito sa Pangasinan, huwag na huwag niyong kakalimutan na bisitahin itong Matutinas Restaurant.
Another day, another food trip. So we're gonna try the famous tupig dito sa Pangasinan.
Yes, at sabi nga nila, ito yung pinagmamalaki nila dito kasi ibang-iba yung tubig na nabibili mo sa Manila kasi dito mismo sa Pangasinan. So tara, tingnan natin. Ay nandito kami sa Lislan at kung nakikita nyo ay meron dito Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
So ayan, hihintayin lang namin ni Ivane ang mga queens para naman makita rin namin sila. So samahan nyo kami. mukbang na naman dito sa Pangasinan. So, itatry naman natin ngayon yung fish and sour. Fish and sour.
Tama naman yan.
Another mukbang trip. So, itatry na natin ngayon yung sweet and sour fish nila, yung calamaris, buttered oyster, at yung sizzling tofu.
And of course, we have sinigang sa bangus na belly. Tapos meron din tayong hipon. At syempre, ang ating
Chapsuy.
Chapsuy.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng veggies, diba?
Yes.
Para healthy-healthy pa rin tayo. Sarap.
Kakaiba talaga kapag fresh yung no? Yung
Yung seafoods. Sarap.
Sarap. Yes.
Grabe lahat.
Yun yung veggies.
Oo, lahat talaga bagay sa kanin.
Yes, at ito na yung last namin na ito try. Itong
Sweet and sour fish. Try natin.
perfect. So, ayan mga ka-playtime, magpo-food trip muna kami dahil ang dami naming order. Hindi namin kaya ubusan, kaya tara, samahan niyo kami.
Hello mga ka-playtime!
Yes, we are now here sa Urdaneta City Cultural and Sports Center.
Yes, bakit nga ba kami nandito? Dahil dito magaganap ang big event ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026 National Costume.
Yes, very exciting. Kaya maya-maya lang ay mag-i-interview kami ng mga queens para tanungin sa kanila ang isang word na nagde-describe kung paano sila mag-prepare for their national costume. So tara!
Samahan niyo kami!
Alright, so now mga ka-playtime, kasama natin si Miss Eligan. Hello!
Hello! So we have a question for you. In one word, how do you describe your preparation for the national costume?
In one word, I would describe it as grateful because I really appreciate the efforts of the people behind the costume, the effort, the time, and the preparation for them as well. And my job right now is to really carry it and to give justice for their efforts.
Wow, what a wonderful question. Sorry. Wow, what a wonderful answer. Thank you so much, Miss Eligan.
We have here with me Miss Cebu Province. Miss, how do you feel right now?
I'm really excited because we are having our national costume rehearsals as we speak, and tomorrow we're going to be showing off the wonderful masterpieces of our national costume designers.
Yes, so Miss Cebu, we have one question for you. Yeah, in one word, how will you describe your preparation for the national costume?
I would describe it as mesmerizing.
Wow!
Mesmerizing.
And why?
Mesmerizing because, to be honest, when I was practicing the choreography of the national costume, I felt like I was in a dreamlike state, and I have the strongest feeling that on top of the makeup, on top of the national costume itself, plus that choreography combined together with the stage and the music, I just know that the people watching are gonna be mesmerized as well.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss Cebu. Hello mga ka-playtime! So now kasama natin si Miss Alba. Hello!
Hi, Diyos Marhay na Aldaw sa Inugapos. Ako po si Miss Alba.
Yes. So, ano yung nafe-feel mo ngayon na rehearsals nyo?
Oh my God! Siyempre, super excited na ako para bukas sa aming National Costume Competition. And sobrang masaya kasi napapagitnaan ako ng sobrang dalawang ganda.
Yes!
Ramdam ko na naman yung kaba.
Grabe!
So, in one word, how do you describe your preparation here in national costume?
In one word, the perfect word to really capture everything that I've done to prepare for this is the word majestic. Majestic because the teamwork is amazing. It really takes a village to create the dream. So this costume of mine, it really was a dream that came to fruition, that came true. So it's majestic It's something that you would not expect, and it is something that gives honor to my lineage and to my heritage in Albay.
Now, so makikita nyo sa background natin na talaga namang nagpe-prepare na ang ating queens or the Miss Universe Philippine 2026 para sa kanilang national costume. So, tara! Samahan nyo.
1-2 with a goose, we one day to the side, it's still fantastic. If you get up this and
Can you tell us about your preparation for the national costume tonight?
Of course. So a lot of it really started off with a vision of wanting to really highlight the history of Manila with my designer, Patrick Isarena. And what we came up with is this is called the Jewel of Galleon Trade. So it symbolizes the historic Acapulco Manila trade and dazzling gateway of Manila as the global commerce in the East.
Thank you so much, Miss Manila, and good luck tonight.
Well, this is a homage to my hometown, Bacoor City, Cavite, and it represents the livelihood of our fellow Bacoreños and Bacoreñas, which is basically tahong and much more seafoods.
Yes, ang laki ng tahong.
Yes. It's
Ang
good
cute.
for 4 packs.
Yes!
Itong damit ko po is inspired by the Lima Lima or Saang, which is a type of conch shell in Surigao del Sur. So this is made by a Pangasinan designer, Mr. Simon Cayetano. So talagang pinag-aralan namin to. There was a collaboration between my team and as well as his ideas, and I'm just really grateful that it turned out really well.
So we prepared to come out the best on how we can present Cebu in the best way that we can. And of course, as a devotee of Señora Santo Niño and as a Sinulog Festival Queen, I want to show that to them, that Cebu is one of the best as well.
Lots and lots of training as well as fittings because we really wanted it to look really light on stage, almost effortless.
Of course, my costume is quite heavy. So kumain ako ng saging for the potassium. I need that later to sustain my energy until the end of the night. So kudos to my designer, so Ruthie Atas, and showcasing the sardine industry of my province, Negros Occidental. Inspired by one of the premier food processing companies in Victorias, it's Victoria's Food Corporation. So I hope I'm making my province proud. Yes.
Actually, I've already rehearsed my execution, what is going to happen later on. And that actually this is called the Panay, Pearl of Panay. And I'm very grateful to my designer, Sir Al. He's right over here. He's flew here all the way from Iloilo. And then I'm just very excited. That's it.
Bring joy to people and give them a nostalgic feels knowing na a lot of them has been to Burnham Park. So, ayan, welcome to Burnham Park. And I'm so grateful to my designer, Aaron Montoya, for creating this masterpiece. And I can't wait for everybody to see it.
Definitely a lot has gotten into the preparation for this costume. We wanted to make sure that Taclobanons are very well represented, and we're very well known for our resilience, especially through the Typhoon Haiyan. And so all the preparation that really went into this, a lot of months of planning actually, and I'm just very lucky that we have the best designers and the best team to put this all together and make it a reality.
Yes, thank you so much.
1-2 with a goose, we one day to the side, it's still fantastic. If you get up this and you ignore it, drink it up, drink it up, drink it up. 1-2 with a goose, we one day to the side, it's still fantastic. If you get up this and you ignore it, drink it up, drink it up, drink it up.
talaga.
Grabe na kumakaway pa siyang ganun.
Oo, nabigyan niya ng justice yung kanyang costume. Ikaw naman,
Ako naman, paborito ko is yung Tacloban. Kasi ang story na talaga Ghost Bomb. Diba yun sa mga sa Baguio, Yolanda.
Yes, ako naman talagang nag-stand out sa akin. Si Miss Pangasinan talagang nabigyan niya ng justice yung national costume niya.
Pero alam niyo ba, sa kaalaman ng lahat, top 3 lang po dapat ang mananalo ng national costume. Pero sa sobrang daming magagandang national costume ay naging top 6.
So ayan, congratulations again sa lahat ng mga nanalo na ating queens. Kaya naman, see you guys!
Another day, another mukbang. At syempre, nandito tayo sa Dagupan. Magmumukbang pa rin po tayo ng seafood. At ano ang kakaiba dito sa restaurant na to, Arya? At saan tayo?
Yes, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ciudad Elmina Fishing Village. So dito, kakaiba yung ambience kung makikita mo para tayong nasa balsa or para tayong nasa fishing village. Kasi dito, pwede ka talagang manghuli ng isda. At mamaya-maya lang, itatry natin yung mga food nila dito na mga specialty nila.
Yes.
Ito kakaiba to, ha?
Oo, kakaiba. At syempre, excited na ako. Kaya naman mga ka-playtime, tara, samahan niyo kami tikman. Nandito na yung mga pagkain. Tara, sobrang excited na natin tikman.
So, unahin natin tong bangu sisig.
Ang sarap. Oo, ang fresh. Last time kasi, tumikim tayo ng bangus, pero regular na inihaw at prinito lang yun. So, eto kakaiba yung sisig.
So, ito, excited akong itry tong kalabaw sisig kasi hindi pa ako nakakatikim yan.
First time to.
First time. So,
Yes.
tingnan natin kung lasa ba siyang sisig or lasa siyang kalabaw.
Ang sarap. Siyang ano?
Maanghang siya, ha?
Yes. Ayan, pwede po pahingin ng...
Ay,
perfect!
order pa lang ako. Oo. Thank you, ate.
Try mo naman yung orange barbecue sweet, Arya.
Sige, try natin.
Tikman natin.
Tikman natin kung lasang orange ba siya. Lasang orange siya. So, parang talagang ginamitan siya ng matigas.
Kung merong orange chicken, ito nga yung orange barbecue squid.
Squid.
Oo, hindi lang siya kulay. Orange talaga siya.
Oo,
yung
tsaka
lasa.
medyo may kick siya, ha? Spicy siya. So, kung mahilig din kayo sa spicy food, masarap to.
Ano naman yung kakaiba, syempre, isa pang kakaiba, ang Lukhan soup. Grabe, oh. Dalawa pa yung nasa loob.
Wala ako.
Kinamay-kamay mo na, Arya.
So, ito, favorite ko tong halaan sa
Oo.
Manila. Pero ito, kakaiba to.
Natawag nila tong
Lukhan soup.
Cheers! Ang sarap. Ang lalaki ng mga shells nila dito.
Napaka-refreshing.
Kahit mainit yung panahon, grabe, ang sarap kainin. Perfect.
I think yan yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat.
Oo, ako din. Ayan yung kakainin ko with guys mamaya.
Oo.
Ako actually, yung mga kakaiba nilang food dito, lahat yung favorite ko.
Oo.
Yes. So,
Especially
tara.
this one, yung kalabaw na sisig nila. Kakaiba to, ha?
Yes.
So, kung mahilig din kayo sa kalabaw or sa beef sisig, kakaiba to. I-try nyo to.
Yes. Tara, kain na tayo. Gusto ko magkamay.
Oo, ako din. Let's go!
Another Pangasinan adventure!
Tara, samahan nyo kami!
Pangasinan trip!
If you want more content like this, follow all our social media accounts at Playtime Entertainment.